For as long as I can remember, Mars has fascinated me. About 25 years ago, while earning my master's in space studies at the University of North Dakota, I wrote a research paper on a question that scientists were still debating. Did Mars once have liquid water? At the time, the evidence was intriguing but incomplete. Mars Pathfinder had shown us a rocky world unlike anything we'd ever explored on another planet. Orbiting above Mars, the Mars Global Surveyor was beginning to return the first detailed elevation maps from the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter, or MOLA. For the first time, scientists could see the planet's shape in remarkable detail. Those maps revealed giant valleys, enormous basins, and landscapes that looked surprisingly familiar. Some resembled dried-up river channels. Others looked like floodplains. But from orbit, appearances can be deceiving. Was a winding channel carved by flowing water? Or was it formed by collapsing lava tubes? Could an ancient delta really be a delta? Or was there another explanation? 25 years ago, many of those questions were still open. Looking back at that paper today, what strikes me isn't that it was wrong. It's how much we've learned since then. Spirit and Opportunity explored ancient rocks that had clearly interacted with water. Curiosity climbed the layered slopes of Mount Sharp and discovered compelling evidence that Gale Crater once hosted long-lived lakes and streams. Perseverance landed in Jezero Crater, an ancient river delta chosen specifically because scientists believe it was once an environment where microbial life could have existed. Meanwhile, orbiters like Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, Odyssey, MAVEN, and Mars Express have transformed our understanding of the entire planet. Every mission has added another piece to the puzzle. And yet, the more we learn about Mars, the more interesting the questions become. That's why I'm starting the Mars Explorer. This isn't going to be a channel about sensational headlines or wild speculation. Instead, I want to explore Mars the same way I explore it myself, one question at a time. Why did NASA drive the rover here? Why is this rock important? How do scientists know this crater once contained a lake? What can orbiters see that rovers cannot? How do today's discoveries fit into the larger story of a planet that changed dramatically over billions of years? Each week, we'll look at what's happening on Mars today, from Curiosity, Perseverance, and the orbiters. But we'll also step back to understand the bigger picture. Because every new discovery makes more sense when you understand the history behind it. If you're fascinated by Mars, whether you're completely new to planetary science or you've followed these missions for years, I hope you'll join me. Together, we'll explore one of the most remarkable places humanity has ever studied. Welcome to the Mars Explorer. I'll see you in the next episode.